Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study the Geography 6th chapter of class 8, that is agriculture. Agriculture, also called farming, refer to the cultivation of soil for growing crop and the remaining of livestock for food, wool, and other product. It is one of the oldest activity known to human. Agriculture is a primary activity as it involves the extraction and production of natural resources like crop, fruit, vegetable, and animal product. Around the 30% of the world population is engaged in agriculture activity. It is the backbone of the Indian economy and the largest provider of livelihood, especially in the rural area. Agriculture depends on a number of factors such as climate, soil, relief, size of holding, land holding, transportation facilities, availability of loans, and method of farming, among other. The process of farming. There are several steps involved in cultivation. A farmer has to plot the field, sow the seeds, irrigate the land, add fertilizer, protect the crop from pests, weed out unwanted plant, and finally harvest, store, and then transport the crop to the market where it will be sold to the consumers. Often farmers sell their produce to intermediate who transport and sell it to the final consumer. Type of farming. Farming can be of various types based on what is produced. The three main types of farming are subsistence farming, commercial farming, and dairy farming. Subsistence farming. It is carried out to meet the requirement of the family. The output is enough to feed the family but generally not enough for sale. The farmer use simple tools and do not employ external labor. Primitive subsistence farming. Under this method, the farmer rear livestock and grow crop to meet personal need. The tool and method used are basic. Nomadic farming. It is the practice of raising livestock by herder who move from one place to another with their families and livestock in search of fodder, pasture, and water. The animal provide milk, wool, hides, and other products. Shifting agriculture. This is a system of farming in which a small patch of forest are cleared by cutting and burning the trees. The ash from the burnt trees add to the fertility of the soil, and this land is then used for growing crop. It is therefore also known as the slash and burn method of cultivation. Intensive subsistence farming. This is a type of farming where a farmer cultivates a small plot of land using basic tools, fertilizer, and more labor than used by primitive farmer.